The craziness that has happened over the last 24 hours, it was not expected that it was going to happen this quickly. The reason that we had this price of Ethereum just pumping is because of I think we'll fly through the 4,000 mark. They did their report. I think it pumped like 30-40%. Other big news today. Good morning, guys. It's Tim from FNGO, the channel that brings you everything from the world of crypto, sports, news, and lifestyle. And we caught our breath. We figured out what a 24 hours in the world of crypto. So let's dive in and look at where we're at. Bitcoin is at 69,000. We'll go into the charts in a minute. Ethereum is still holding really, really strong at 3,788. We've got to remember we're up about $780 over the last 24 hours. I mean, look, last 7 days it's up 31%. Last 24 hours it's up 2.8%. Bitcoin has consolidated a little bit, which is not a bad thing. Solana, which is an interesting one. Solana is up 24% on the last 7 days, which is great, but it didn't have the massive pump when Ethereum happened. And the ultimate reason is that most of the people that were taking money or have big positions in Solana, in Avalanche, and all the other layer twos were then moving their money over into Ethereum. And when we look at the Bitcoin price, guys, we saw obviously a nice pump here. This was on the news of the Ethereum spot ETFs. We saw that, and then we've come back down. We reached nearly as high as 71,800, and then we came back down. And I just also want to look at the ETH chart for you guys as well, because the ETH USDT chart is a little bit more crazy. I mean, we were pretty much going sideways. If you zoom out a lot, sideways. I mean, this is going back all the way to August. Then we obviously had a nice run up to about the 4,000. We got pretty much rejected at the 4,000. Then we've been in this downtrend, and then this is the news that everyone's been talking about, and we can see that there was good volume here. I mean, we pumped from 3,065 all the way up to just 3,836. Now, there's a bit of resistance here around 4,000. I expect us to kind of pump up and test 4,000 in the next 24 hours or so, or absolutely smash through that. And why are we going to smash through that? Because of this. The reason that we had this price of Ethereum just pumping is because of the ETF rumors. Now, I've said all along that the ETFs are going to happen at some point for Ethereum, but it was not expected that it was going to happen this quickly. And there was like 25% chance that these ETFs were going to be approved. Then yesterday, there was not yesterday, the day before, there was a complete change of heart. Approval jumped from 15% to 75%. And then the SEC asked all of the ETF companies that were going to be submitting their proposals, and they needed to change some stuff. And basically what they needed to change was staking. So they wanted to take staking out of their proposals for the ETFs. That is all being resubmitted. That has to be resubmitted by 10 a.m. this morning. And that therefore means this is exactly what happened last time with the Bitcoin ETFs. They asked for some last minute changes, and then ultimately they come out and approve it. So tomorrow is when all of this has to be submitted, and I think we're expecting decisions tomorrow. My personal opinion is that it will be approved. I think if that gets approved, I think we'll fly through the 4,000 mark, but then I think we'll have a little bit of a correction, and then we'll go sky high. So start pushing 5 to even 6,000, and ultimately that's going to pull the entire altcoin market up. Well, but other big news today, slightly outside of the world of crypto, but that will have an effect on crypto, is Nvidia. So Nvidia could spark 200 billion swing in share options. Option traders are pricing in big moves for Nvidia's shares after the chip makers report earnings on Wednesday. So it's expected that there's going to be about an 8 to 9% swing in the trades. Now, last time they did their report, I think it pumped like 30-40%. It's going to be big, and I think it's going to be expected to come out. Now, if this comes out and this is as positive as we expect, then expect to see Bitcoin price jump, expect to see all the AI coins jump as well, and just expect a rally in the market overall. And And I think if we do look at that Bitcoin price, again, if you look at the ETH ETF, we're now consolidating a little bit for the Bitcoin price. So actually looking at a real like next target, I think ultimately we're looking at around 90K. I do think we'll push through the 73 mark with all of these news. It's very, very bullish at the moment. I do believe that we're going to see an upside to around 90,000. So this trader is saying, I think we'll see at least between 90 and 100 before we see another consolidation period or corrections. I think we're in a really, really bullish uptrend. We've really caught and regained that bullish uptrend, while before we were just in a bullish sideways trend. As I said, the SEC then has said that it's come out and is leaning towards the Ethereum ETFs. This is the tweet that happened, which sparked the price increase. And then with that, what we actually saw is that there was nearly 300 million in crypto short positions gone. So, and this is obviously when they get liquidated, that also drives the price. So there's like multiple compounding effects right now. My take on this is that the Ethereum spot ETF is going to get approved. That is going to push the price up to about 4,000. Then we're going to see a little bit of a consolidation, and then we're going to continue up. We're going to have Bitcoin moving up as well. We're going to have positive NVIDIA results as well. That's going to pull the crypto market up. And overall, I think we're going to be back into a big uptrend. Now, one coin that I have been looking at, this for me is quite interesting, is Solana. It's been slightly up, but I don't see we've seen those crazy price moves for Solana. So I think once things settle down with ETH, I think I will see money flowing back into Solana. So it'll be interesting to see where that goes. This is something that I'm looking at to maybe open some trades once I know where ETH is going, and then the ETFs start going. I think if you take some profits and then maybe move them over to Solana, that could be a interesting trade. Other areas we see Bonk aims to reach all new time highs following Pepe and Kang. Meme coins like Pepe and Kang Moon are gaining momentum. So this coin Kang Moon readies for a rally of a pre-sale record of 400%. Kang Moon pre-sale is flying high as it's recorded significant uptrend in the price value. Kang's pre-sale, which was initially targeting 0.011169, less than 2 weeks ago, received over 300% as the value grows. Just to be careful, guys, when you are reading these articles, like this is a sponsored article, so this is paid for, so you never quite know how much this is true. Obviously, they're just trying to sell you your coin as well, so be a little bit careful on that. Look, guys, just lots of positive news. That's it from me. If you like the video, please like the video. Please subscribe to the video. Please share the video. Please help me. It would massively support the channel. If there's anything you would like me to talk about, please do write in the comments below. And once again, thank you for watching and have a beautiful day.